Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to use SY-418 for one-click addressing and verification. The SY-418 manual describes the chips that can be addressed. We select the corresponding chip in the hardware selection of Seekway LED Player. After making the lighting effect, output SD file. Select one-click addressing here. Output SD effect file and copy the card. After copying the card, insert the SD card into the card slot and turn on the controller. We click on Setting. Find Configure Address. Start addressing. If the addressing is successful, the light will display the corresponding addressing success signal. We can also see the screen display addressing success. Return to the previous interface. Select Add check. Select the corresponding channel number. Select the verification method. Reset LED. We start verification. We can see that the lights begin to accumulate in the order of addressing. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.